Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now today's video wasn't planned because I wasn't planning on doing this video in particular just because it is a limited edition collection and I don't know how long it's going to be out, and I'm hoping that you'll be able to get your hands on it when I upload this video. The links will be down below. They are affiliate and I do very much appreciate if you do use those links, but I'm so excited. So I actually think that this is the collection I'm taking with me to our next trip. I'm not 100% sure, which is why this video I am going to show you a little bit more details of the bags, but I am not going to do a pack with me because I do think I'm going to take this one on our trip, and I'm going to show you guys how I pack it for that. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you, start small to big, okay? So if you didn't know what this was, I'm going to show you the Petunia Pickle Bottom new Lion King collection. So they have two different prints. They have Hakuna Matata and, oh my gosh, I forgot the name of the other one. I'll put it on the screen. But they are so pretty. I do want to mention though, guys, I was not sent anything in this collection. I purchased everything with my own money. So I just thought I'd throw that out there because I do get sent stuff from the brand, but this collection was not sent to me. So let me show you. This is the Hakuna Matata print. I personally love more detailed prints versus simple. So I picked this one. It does, I did buy the trio. I love their trios. I'm gonna go ahead and show you a little bit more details on them, but I really love the trios. All right, guys, like I said, I really love these trios. They come in three. So it comes with the small one, and the print inside is so beautiful. It is a map. Are you kidding me? And this is what the back side. I absolutely love that it has like the Disney baby, Petunia Pickle Bottom. It looks so cute. Honestly, I would probably use this one like for simple first aid kit things, or even like my mealtime stuff for my toddler. Really, will really be nice as well. The medium one, I just love that you can see inside. I am a sucker for the mesh, so I was like, yes, finally, another one like this. And then the big one, you could put diapers and wipes in this. Absolutely no problem, which is actually what I prefer to use it with. So those are the beautiful trio. All right, and if you've been here a while and if you see my reels, you guys know I absolutely love my slings. They are my favorite bags, but this one's a little bit different, so I am going to show you what it really looks like right now. But isn't it pretty? I know a lot of people had complaints about some of their placements. It is a hit or miss, guys. Like, that's with anything. I am not a huge person that is, I don't want to say I don't care, but I really don't care as long as I can see them somewhere. Like you kind of cuts out his mouth, but he's still there. I love that he's right here. She's up here. I mean, I just thought it was I love the print. I feel like videos and photos just don't do this collection justice. I personally am not a fan of brown, but in this bag it looks so pretty. Giving me Animal Kingdom vibes, safari vibes, I'm going to the zoo vibes. This is like such a summer vibes bag to me, and print. And I am going to show you really quickly before I show you more details. This bag actually comes with the prettiest straps. Stop focusing on me. So let me go ahead and show you details on my beautiful sling. Okay, and if you guys been here for a while, you guys know I love my slings. They are some of my favorite bags that they carry in, like, period. Like, I love them. So the first pocket here is an insulated pocket, guys. My daughter's pouches fit in here perfectly. Let me know down below if you guys want an updated sling pack with me. I do have like a 3 or 4 in one, but I can do another one. And I do love that it's a double pull. And then in the big pouch, it does open almost to the bottom, which I absolutely love. So much fits in here. I can fit my daughter's diapers, her water bottle in here. Just in case you guys are wondering, let me take these guys out. The potty training seats do fit in here, guys. So if your baby is potty trained, or even if you don't even want to use it for your child, it does fit in here. So I love that it has the logo right here. Look at that print, guys. It is so freaking pretty. Who am I? I'm obsessed with it because I love the brown in it. And then it has this little clip here. You guys know I absolutely love this. I love hanging my keys, my first date, anything like that. And I do love that the hardware is actually this really beautiful rusty color. Even like the name here, I love it. It's like such a great detail. It does have a nice pocket back here. I do put my phone in here or my wallet, but I clip it to here, so make sure it doesn't fall. The feature that I love with this bag that's different is that the straps are like this. Like, are you kidding me? They're so pretty. They're different. Very safari-y. I feel like they went overboard with this. It's just a beautiful strap, beautiful bag. Overall, you guys know I absolutely love my slings. All right, and then the most important guy. So you guys know I love this backpack. I actually took it out from back there. I used to have it back there, but I love it. The only thing I didn't like is I didn't have a Disney print in that bag, so I rarely use the one that I have unless I knew I needed to pack a lot of stuff. So when they finally came out with the Disney print, I was like, that's mine. I need it. It's a bigger bag. So I will have to say my favorite bags are my Method. I love my Methods. You guys know that. My seconds is honestly a really good tie between the Ace, the Aces. Yeah, the Aces and the Sync. Those are like tied because I absolutely love both of them. But this one does fit quite a lot. It is still stuffed right now, so I will show you guys more details on this beautiful bag. I personally love the print that I got. It is very, very beautiful. So let's go ahead and show you more details on the bag. All right, so this is the Sync. Guys, it's so beautiful. I seriously do love this bag. I'm so happy that they came out with a Disney print. They do have like the Star Wars one, but I really wanted a more, different kind of print. So let's go ahead and start out with the front pocket. So let's go ahead and start out with just the outside features of the bag. One thing that I absolutely love is, you guys, this is the only bag that fits my 32 fluid ounce water bottle. It fits it like a dream. You don't even have to push it in. It just fits it nice and comfortably. And back here also, which is why I'm thinking about taking it for travel, is because it can go right into that handle of the suitcase, fit it nice and comfortably. It does have 2 D-rings, this strap right here, and then again, the straps are so pretty and it is nice and padded. When you get it, you can keep this to kind of keep it nice and tight. I am going to take mine off in a little bit. I just wanted to leave it on since I wanted to show you guys the bag first. Let's go ahead and turn it around. Another features, you guys know I like pockets and stuff on the outside of the bag, again, which is why Method is my favorite bag. But I do love that this pocket is right here. You can just kind of throw, like, I don't know, receipts or something you need in there, or even like something simple like a little coloring book. The print does go all the way to the bottom, and the inside of this side is actually the interior print. This pocket, you guys, I love this pocket. So this pocket is actually insulated. So it's insulated. You could put juice boxes or anything like that. And this bag actually comes with a small packing cube. You could put whatever you want in it, but it is also that insulated material. So you can pack a clothes, mealtime stuff, or even like an outfit if you needed to. And I love the print. So cute. Again, I absolutely love that feature of this bag. Now I'm going to go ahead and just bring you in a little bit closer. Actually, I'll bring the bag a little closer so we can get a little bit more details. In here, I absolutely love it again. So right here, you can actually put your sunglasses in if you needed to. I actually like using that for my chargers. You can put chargers, headphones, anything you need in here as well. And you have a big pocket that goes pretty much all the way down to the bottom of the bag, which I absolutely love because I feel like easy, like you can grab things that you really need quickly. And it has a nice magnetic closure. Now let's get into the inside of this baby. There's so much space in here. It does come with a diaper changing pad, and it comes with that beautiful map inside. Close that up. And then there is a big pocket back here. I need to remember to take all these things out. Has a really big pocket back here, which I'm actually probably going to put my iPad and my daughter's iPad in here. And then it has 2 mesh pockets on the sides. You can put water bottles or anything like that. And then it does have 2 smaller mesh pockets in the inside. A Intermix Deluxe kit, the Petunia Pickle Bottom carries fits in here like a glove. They did come out with one with this collection, but it is the other print. So I just personally didn't get it, and I do have already a lot. But I really, really love the Intermix Deluxe kits. They fit in there perfectly. But yeah. Oh, and this one, how could I forget? It did come with a cute little keychain. It's adorable. All right, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, all the links will be down below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. And I really hope you guys can get your hands on something on the collection while it's still here, since it is a very limited edition collection. And with that being said, please leave this emoji down below if you are still here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.